Friends, the given problem is evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral from x to root x of xy dy dx. So now we are doing double integration in Cartesian coordinates. You see, while solving this double integral problem, first we have to observe are they given limits or not. If they are not given limits, either they will give a region. If they are given region, then we need to find out the limits. But in this problem, they are given limits directly. But these limits are generally, they will give both are independent limits or only one is independent limit. If both are independent limits, then we can do integration irrespective of order. Nothing but you can do x first or y. That is based on your interest. But while integrating a double integral, means while solving the double integral, whenever you have only one is independent, another one is a dependent. But in this case specially, we have to integrate with respect to the dependent variable. So what is the dependent variable here? It is a function of what? X. So the function of x is nothing but this is limit for y limit only. This is y is equal to x and y is equal to root x. So first we have to integrate with respect to y and later we have to integrate with respect to x. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Now you see the given problem I am writing once again. Integral from 0 to 1 integral from x to root x. The integrand is xy into dy dx. Now I am integrating with respect to y first. Now limits from 0 to 1 x into, what is the y integration? Y square by 2. Limits from x to root x into dx. Right. Now this is integral from 0 to 1 x 1 by 2 I can write outside. Now upper limit if you are substituted y square in place of y we have to substitute root x. So what you are getting here? Root x whole square is nothing but x minus, in place of y you are substituting x. So you will have x square into dx. So 1 by 2 times of integral from 0 to 1 x into x means x square minus x into x square means x cube into dx. So now you observe the integrand is containing only x variables. So you can integrate with respect to x directly. Now x integration is here you have, that is x square integration is x cube by 3 minus x cube integration we have x to the power of 4 by 4. The limits are here 0 to 1. Okay. Now this is 1 by 2 times of upper limit if you are substituted, then you will have 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, and the lower limit if you are substituted 0 by 3 is 0 minus 0 by 4 is 0. That's it. So you have to simplify this. Then what is the LCM here? You have 12. So this is 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is here 1 by 12 times of 2. 2 times of 12 is nothing but 24. So this is the solution for integral from 0 to 1 integral y is equal to x to root x of xy dy dx. Is it clear for everyone? Thank you for watching this video.